Hi everybody. I'm going to read you a story today. It's called Go Dog Go by PD Eastman. Go Dog Go. Dog. Big dog. Little dog. Big dogs and little dogs. Black and white dogs. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye, goodbye. One little dog going in. Three big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree. A blue dog on a red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs are going around in cars. A dog out of a car. Two big dogs going up. One little dog going down. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. One dog up on a house. Three dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under a tree. Two dogs in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water. A dog under the water. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. The dogs are all going around and around and around. This dog says, "Go around again." The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot here under the house. Now it is night. Three dogs at a party on a boat at night. Dogs at work. Work dogs work. Dogs at play. Play dogs play. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye. Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. Uh-oh. Looks like the little bird's gonna cross the road. Stop, dogs, stop! The light is red now. What color was the light on the page before? Did you notice? It was green, and it said go. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. Two dogs at play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down. Now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It is time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. See the one with its eyes open? Now it is day. The sun is up. Now is the time for all dogs to get up. Get up, it is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. There they go. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Where do you think they're going? Do you have an idea? Look where they are going. They are all going to that big tree over there. Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out. And now look where they are going. Look where those dogs are going. To the tree. To the tree. Is there a ladder going up the tree? I wonder what's at the top of the tree. What do you think is up there? Up the tree. Up the tree. Look at them all climbing the ladder. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on top of that tree? A dog party. A big dog party. Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs are all at a dog party. What a dog party. And my dog, Remy, just joined us. Hello, Remy. Hello again. Hello. And do you like my hat? I do. What a hat. I like it. I like that party hat. So now he likes her hat. He even has a special hat. Goodbye. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the book, Go Dogs Go. We will see you later. Bye.